The Cuisinart Air Fryer AIR-160NAS provides a versatile cooking experience with its 4.5 quart capacity, allowing you to prepare meals for the entire family effortlessly. Equipped with 4 cooking functions, this air fryer gives you the flexibility to air fry, roast, bake, and keep your meals warm, making it a multifunctional kitchen companion. This model features 4 pre-programmed air fry settings specifically designed for French fries, wings, frozen snacks, and vegetables, ensuring quick and easy meal preparation. With a powerful 1600-watt heating element and adjustable temperature settings up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers high-performance cooking results. The digital touchscreen display and toss reminder feature ensure perfectly crispy results, while the large viewing window allows you to monitor your food without opening the fryer. Its sleek stainless steel and black design not only looks stylish, but also includes dishwasher-safe parts, making cleaning up after cooking a breeze.